classic traditional cream of tomato soup, but with a contemporary modern twist. Now, you're going to need a large non-metallic bowl. I've gone for a white one with a lip. You can go for any color, that's okay. You're also going to need a good sturdy spoon and also one of these. I've gone for an old-fashioned manual opener. You can, of course, use an electric tin opener if you have one. If you do have one, hello to you. Now, I can't stress the subject of safety greatly enough. The opening really is the danger phase of this recipe. So you're going to want to put the opener on the can like so, and then twist, 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 but don't go all the way around. There's a reason for that. You're going to want to keep a little bit of the tin in the tin to make a handy hinging mechanism to aid in the disposal of the tin itself. There it is, it's all in. Lovely, look at that. Look at that, all in. Smashing. Very pleased with that. We'll put that there. And then we're going to put it in the microwave. I'm sure you have one of these around. Don't concern yourself with any intermediate settings. They're wrong. They're for idiots. I don't use them. I don't know anybody who does use them. We're all about full power. I am. I know you are. So open the door. That is critical. There it is. Nice clean opening there. Put that in. And I'm going to say unto you 2 minutes. 2 minutes. And make sure that you crucially press the start button. You're not looking for warm around the edges. When you get into the middle, you're dealing with tepid. You're dealing with room temperature soup. That's no fun. Now, here is one that I prepared earlier. Look at that. Look at that. And a little bit of seasoning, a little bit of salt there. That's good. And for that modern twist I was talking about earlier, there it is. A little grind of